So, next is the vacuum stopper. Clean the stopper and insert it firmly into the bottle. Then there is an built-in pump to get a vacuum. This will suck out the air out of your half-full wine bottle. Lift the handle up and down to remove the air. And it really keeps your wine good for a long time. Because inside there's no odor what is coming inside, because it is a vacuum there. And because of this, the wine has the natural taste. And you can see it is proof of liquid. You can rotate it 90 degrees, no problem with it. Job's done. That is the vacuum stopper for wine bottles.